the grandson of Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the elder son of Hazrat Fatima radhiyallahu anhu, Hazrat Hassan radhiyallahu anhu was sitting for dining. The servant came in with the broadstalk, but all of a sudden he stumbled and fell. The broadstalk fell upon the cloth of Hazrat Hassan radhiyallahu anhu. He radhiyallahu anhu stared at the servant that scared him. The servant started recalling the verse of the Quran. He recited, وَالْكَاظِمِينَ الْغَيْظَ, and those who control their anger. Hazrat Hassan radhiyallahu anhu said, so do I control my anger? He recited, وَالْآفِينَ عَنِ النَّاسِ. Hazrat Hassan radhiyallahu anhu said, so do I forgive your mistake? He recited, Wallahu yuhibbul muhsinin, and those who favor Allah likes them. Hazrat Hassan radhiyallahu anhu said, so do I set you free? The moral of the story, it is advised in the verses of Masnavi that the people who forgive the mistakes of others, Allah forgives their mistakes.